Wax Warmer Hair Removal Kit, 500cc Digital Depilatory by Wallfront is one of the best sellers among baby conditioners products. Heat-assistant material to prevent overheat causing unnecessary accident. Double-layer thicken aluminum container is more safety and durable to use. Digital display for clear reading of the temperature. Temperature regular control enables you to adjust the temperature at will according to your need. Fast wax meltdown. The wax liquid is mild and excellent for strong and fine hairs. No need wax paper, no side effect, safe and assured to use. Comes with 3 flavors wax beans, which can not only remove hair, but also moisturize and nourish skin. Includes 10 pieces spatulas for a disposal use, so as to prevent cross-infection and reduce the spread of disease. Suitable for all types of waxes, hard waxing, strip waxing, paraffin waxing. Can be used to remove hair on arms, legs, armpit, privates etc. Specifications. Machine material, ABS. Wax bean material, natural resin, mineral oil, beeswax, paraffin. Wax bean flavor, chamomile, tea tree, strawberry. Voltage, 110 V 240 V. Frequency, 50-60 Hz. Power, 100 W. Optional plugs, EU plug, US plug. Color, black. Wax container capacity, 500 cc. Wax bean content, 100 grams. Heater diameter, approx. 18 centimeters 7/1 inch. Heater height, approx. 15 centimeters 5/9 inch. Package weight, approx. 1,110 grams. Item type, wax heater. Function, removing unwanted hairs in armpit, arm, legs and other body parts. How to use. 1. Put the heater on a flat desktop, open the cap, pour the wax beans into the wax container. 2. Connect to power supplies and turn on the power switch. The red indicator will light on when it starts working. 3. Turn the temperature control knob and set the dial on high until the wax achieves a liquid consistency. This process lasts about 15 minutes. For faster heating, place the lid on the warmer. 4. Once liquid, place the dial in middle place. The temperature will remain constant throughout the day. 5. When the wax finishes, lift out the can, using the wax can holder while the warmer is still warm. 6. Turn the warmer off every evening by full turning the dial counterclockwise. Cover the warmer with the clear lid to keep the wax dust free. 7. Using the spatulas to apply the wax onto the body parts needed hair removal. After it cools, tear off the wax quickly against the hair growth direction. 8. Clean your skin and moisturize it. Package include 1 by wax heater with plug, 3 by pack wax beans, 10 by spatulas, 1 by English manual.